I'm so excited to open this up. Just got this in. It's the new OLAY Supercream with sunscreen. I haven't even checked it out yet. I wanted to do it on camera. Look at this. Look how pretty. Wow. I don't know. I'm a sucker for pretty containers, but look at this. OLAY Supercream with sunscreen, and it has SPF 30. All right. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. Look at that. I'm just going to, rub it on. Oh, wow. That feels so good. Wow. It's not too heavy. There's like no greasy feel to it. It just rubs in so nice. That is really, I cannot wait to use that on my face later. I wasn't thinking. I meant to use it this morning and didn't bring it in the bathroom with me, and then I forgot. Nice. Wow. I have used OLAY products since I was a teenager. My skin loves their products. I've used their moisturizers. Look at the difference in my hands. Look at that. Their cleansers. I just love it all. But look at that. You can totally see the difference. Super excited to use this on my face. So make sure to follow my storefront and give this a try. I am so excited to be using this.